you're in for a treat. Join me as I push myself to the limits of discovering and mastering the secrets of the kitchen, and to ultimately impress the wife. Hello, and welcome back to the 29th episode of Impress the Wife. Today, we will make a dream come true. That's right, Impress the Wife is doing charity work by fulfilling a friend's request. Lo mein recipe today, guys. We'll make it better than how Chinese restaurants make it. After this, I've decided not to cook this anymore, ever. I got frustrated because I did not have a nonstick pan, and I ran into a bit of problem with dealing with the noodles. If you have tricks that I should know about, hit me up in the comment section down below. Let's start. Here I have 300 grams of thinly sliced pork. We'll marinate this with sugar, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. The tapioca starch and egg white will cause the pork to have that velvety texture like you see in Chinese restaurants. Thanks, Stanley. Set aside. We'll slice the green onions, the yellow onion. We'll trim, clean, and slice the snap peas. You can use snow peas as well if it's available. Next is cabbage. Make sure to remove the bottom part because it's tough, and peel off about 2 layers of the cabbage. Chop it up like what you are seeing right now. And we'll thinly slice carrots as well. Smash, peel, and chop the garlic. And here you have lo mein noodles. Let's start cooking. We'll boil the noodles in water, but make sure to loosen it up first before dropping it in. This will make your life easier and avoid having a huge clump of raw noodle dough. When in doubt, use 2 forks to separate all the strands. Just follow the instructions on the package about cooking time. We'll then strain the water and bathe the noodles in cold water. Leave it to dry on the side. Heat up a deep pan, preferably a non-stick carbon wok. No, not preferably. You must invest in a non-stick carbon wok. Sauté the pork. I might have added way too much egg white. This started to look like scrambled pork. Once the pork's almost cooked, remove it from the pan. Now I have to scrub the pan again. On high heat, sauté your onion. Add your garlic, green onion, and snap peas. Stir, and allow the snap peas to cook till almost tender. Throw in your carrots and cabbage. Stir again, and add your shrimps. We'll then add chicken powder. Bring the pork back in. Let everything in the pan mingle with each other. Add the lo mein noodles. Loosen it up and mix everything. Lower your heat to about medium-low while adding the black pepper, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and soy sauce. We'll skip shallot oil today. Give this a nice mixing. Make sure the seasonings get well dispersed. And give it a taste. And now we'll start plating. Make it look nice. Add sesame seeds and some cilantro leaves. That's it, an easy recipe for a Chinese restaurant classic. So here's to you, Akiko. Enjoy and have a great day.